it's me, Alex, and today I'm here with Angela. And today it's really cold out here, but the sun it's really cold, but not really cold, but it's cold, and the sun is shining, so it's a beautiful day. So we are going to make slime. So the ingredients you need are the Tide, some glue bottles. I have 3 of these, white glue and glitter glue, like purple and pink, and we're going to be doing a competition and see who has the stretchiest and most that able to stretch and the most fluffy or cool slime. So the first round will be glitter glue. So, and we also have some stuff you can put in, some glitter,
And
gold, and this. But you can put anything you want in there if you want. Orbeez to put in the second round. That's for the second round.
Hey, why did you take it away?
Okay, and water, warm water, and some Legos to make Lego slime.
Can I see that? Wait, let me see that.
Lego slime.
Is this even Lego?
And that's a heart. You can put it in your slimes. So let's get started. So first, what you want to do is to open the lid. Oh, make sure you're close to the.
Okay, then I just.
No.
Oh, you mean open?
Yeah,
it?
open the lid.
Wait, I thought you meant this way.
This is the first time Angela made slime. Well,
Not.
actually, second time. Second time. Wait, make sure it shows both of us. There. So, then after you open the lid, dump it in.
Everything?
Yeah, everything. Whoa!
This isn't cool.
Ew. Oh, ew! It's
Why is
going
it not
down.
working?
It's going down really slowly. Just push. Mine's going down really chunky.
Let's see.
Wait. Mine's a lot. Put a lot. Push. This will take us a few. I got it.
My hands hurt.
Wait. I have a lot of glitter glue for. Do you?
Yeah.
Ew.
Can you eat this glue?
No. Well, it.
You get poison.
But this has glitter on it, but I don't want to try eating glue because that's just dangerous and weird. It might taste bad.
Mine will jump out and there's a lot in the front.
Just push it. See, there's a lot of. This is cool. So the first round is glitter glue.
Hey, you guys got glue on me.
I know.
Oh, what did I do?
Oh. Ah! I just put it there. Oh my gosh. We're outside in our. What is it? Our next to our house. Here next to our house. Not in the garage, but okay.
God.
Okay, so there, that's it. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what you need to do is the Tide.
Ew!
Well, what?
It got glue
Water.
on me again.
Water. So we'll put the water.
You're supposed to do that. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ew.
Okay, there. It's steamy because it's really hot.
Ow!
You can use your hands, and then I'll put the Tide in. and then mix it with your hands, and then put the Tide in. So, how do you do this? Is the slime starting to... Oh, that's slime! Oh my
Do it
gosh!
to me. Do it to me.
Mm.
What?
Oh, oops. And then, what's this here?
No more.
Okay, if you need more, then just ask me. Oh my gosh! That's so cool! Ah, it's so sticky. Is it starting to form?
Kind of.
Yay! Oh my
Can I go wash
gosh!
my hands?
Huh?
Can I go wash my hands?
Yeah, if you need more, I'll add more.
Okay, add more right now. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah. Oh my gosh!
Get off! It won't get
Mine's
off.
like Princess Pink.
Mine won't get off. Ugh.
Okay, so.
It's sticking onto me so bad.
Wait, try to mix yours. Wait, why? What are you gonna do?
Just put more on mine right now.
Okay. That's so cool. It smells like Tide. Oh. Wait. Hey. That's Dad. Wait. I'm making a video. I'm making a video. Oh my gosh. It's so slimy. Oh.
Now you're kissing me.
I need a. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of glitter on me. And you can, after that, wait. This is starting to form. Oh, yeah, it is. Here, let me put a little more Tide. Oh. This is warm. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at his. Here. His is really liquid. And then after you can put in the, you can put it in a case. So I'm gonna get like a plastic bag and put it in. Oh my gosh, this is so slimy.
Did you put more?
Yeah, I did. Now I'm just gonna.
Can I put gold?
I need to. Yeah, you can put whatever you want.
Yay! Mine's gonna be sticky. I have an idea. Hers is not cool. Red. Oh, I'm so sticky. Uh-oh. Get that. Get that. Yeah.
Okay, so is yours okay? I got some plastic bags that we can put it in. Make sure you have your
Mix,
slime
mix,
formed.
mix, mix, mixy.
Mix, mix, mix. Mine is really sticky, so
You want to fill mine?
wait, I need to grab a few batches in first, or the whole batch. Or...
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so sticky. Mine is like pink, but not pink, but like a pretty princess pink glitter.
Want to see how high mine could reach? See?
Ah!
Look how high it could reach. Look. Oh, you missed it.
Mine is so sticky.
Look. Oh,
Yours is like a baby blue, like a galaxy blue. Mine, I like how mine turned out, but it's really sticky.
It's just pink.
But it's okay. It's okay if it's sticky.
What the fuck?
Mine is sticky. Okay. So I'm gonna
Of
put
course
this.
it's sticky because of the tide. Wow. Give me.
Do you need? Wait. What are you doing?
Taking glue off my hands.
I'm
So
gonna
it
put the
doesn't
slime in. You mean slime?
Yeah.
Nah. Mine is really hard to put in.
It's raising so high.
This is really cool.
Mine's so
Cause the other slime we made
it
was like,
wasn't good.
yeah, it wasn't good. Mine was like iceberg. I made iceberg slime,
Mine just dried
but
up.
it just like clicks. It doesn't click, but it just like, you know, it just. Ah!
How about me? I
What?
want my plastic bag.
Yeah, wait. Just try to form yours.
It's already sticky.
Wait, I just need to do mine, and then you can do yours. I'll help you do yours. Mine is so.
Hey!
Okay, this is so weird.
Same. Okay.
So, I hope you guys
Thank you.
enjoyed our
Thank
video.
you.
We're gonna do other ones. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Hey.
and follow us on Twitter. And bye, guys. Say
This
bye.
is what I use for mixing. Bye.